In April of 1997, a Buffalo police officer was killed and another hurt when a man shot at them on Northampton Street. A year later, 19-year-old Jonathan Parker was sentenced to life in prison without parole. But now there's a new development in the case. 2 on Your Side's Danielle Church joins us with those details. Danielle?
Mary Alice, next Tuesday, a judge will decide whether Parker will get a hearing or not. This is all happening because his attorney submitted a 440 motion for 2 reasons. The first one being 2 of the witnesses who testified in Parker's trial are now recanting their original statements, saying they never saw him in the area. The other reason is that in the closing arguments in 1998, Parker's attorney, James Harrington, said his client had recklessly caused the murder of Charles McDougald. In 2019, the U.S. Supreme Court decided a defense attorney cannot say anything to admit his or her client's guilt when they plead innocence. Here's what D.A. Flynn, Parker's new attorney, and his family have to say about the case.
There was ample evidence to convict Jonathan Parker 25 years ago. Nothing has changed to this day. Jonathan Parker is a convicted cop killer who deserves to spend the rest of his life in jail, and I will do everything to ensure he does spend the rest of his life in jail.
We are going to be arguing that there should be a full hearing and that the full facts that were behind Jonathan Parker's conviction be exposed for what they are, which were made up testimony based upon threats by an officer who has already been convicted of doing exactly the same thing in another case.
In those 25 years, unfortunately, we have lost many family members, but unfortunately, he lost a child, he lost a daughter, and he was unable to attend her funeral services. We mourn for him. We still mourn for him. We still grieve, and we still pray that we get our cousin home.
That was Parker's cousin Tiffany. We'll keep you updated on whether a judge decides to grant or deny Parker a hearing next Tuesday. Danielle Church, Channel 2 News.